Hello friend, today I'm going to teach you how to make a two page number on the same page or a multiple page number on the same page on Microsoft Word document. Here, first I'm going to open my Microsoft Word document which I had made already. Here you can see two pages on my Microsoft Word file. First I'm going to insert a page number here. At the bottom of the page I'm going to choose page number 3. Yeah, uh, we can see a two page number on my Microsoft Word document, and I'm going to make a little bit larger size of it, and I'm going to choose 20 24. Okay, now I'm going to print this file on the same page, and we can see a two page number on the same page there. So I'm just going to click Ctrl P. Okay, I'm using Canon LBP 2900 printer here, and first of all I'm going to click on printer properties here. Okay, and after that I'll choose a two page number per sheet here. If we choose two paper per sheet, we can see the page order will be left right. If we want two pages per sheet and two page number on a sheet at up and down, we can use a line escape here. Yes, look here, you can see top to bottom option, but I'm going to choose portrait, and I will print the page from left to right. Okay, I click on OK. Then I'm going to print my file on the same paper with this 1 and 2 page number. Okay, then I'm going to print this file. Yeah, it's going to print. Yeah, sorry, the paper is into my mm, printer. Again I'm going to print this file. Let's see what will happen there in the paper. Yeah, look at the paper here. Look at the paper here. You will see my Microsoft Word document on the same page with two page number. One page number is at this side one, and second page number is at this side two. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.